surprise.
Here, I'll film Trevor.
No, I got it. I got the camera. I know, I heard that too. Like he just throwing shit on the stairs or something.
What are you doing? Throwing things down the stairs?
No,
The whole damn box.
All right, Trevor, when you get downstairs, we'll put it together and all that. And that's what it'll be together, please.
Alright.
Lay it down the steps and let it go down step by itself.
How come I have Cameron help me?
this one?
Both of them.
Both of them. Look out of the way, Calypso.
Just throw it down there.
Yeah, I think so. Before.
Wait, throw it down there.
No, don't throw it down there. My wife's asleep. I'll show you how to do it. Hey, go like that. No. Somebody might get down there and help hold it.
Fuck. Damn it.
You have to go down easy.
This is the bad part about this house. Basement.
Hold it.
Right.
Well, there you go, Dad. Really made all that noise.
Just like that, all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do.
You make all that noise. You hold it at us. You make all that noise. Wait. Do it. Come on, Cammy. Just let it go down here. Once you get it flat, get it all the way down here. Wait, get straight and just let it go.
Yeah, here, turn.
Let it go. Turn it. Turn it.
Damien, move it.
Move. You let go. Let go. Oh shit. Go for it. Now how supposed to get down to the damn basement, dude? Oh shit. So I can Game and put that back up on the damn shelf when I get pissed.
I got a splinter.
Damn it, dude.
I tore that on my skin right here.
Alright. It's ready, dude. Alright.
So what are we gonna do?
I gotta tell Dad to end the video. Dad, so you gonna say to your fans about the end of the video? You gonna say to your fans about the end of the video?
I guess that's it, guys. So I'll put her back together.
What are you gonna do for this summer?
I don't know yet.
Alright guys,
What are we gonna
that's the
do?
video. It's like it had tearing apart train table. Catch you guys later. Yeah, peace out.